Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a role bot on Discord so you can create reaction roles for your server members. Whether you're managing a growing community, or you simply want to make role assignment easier and more interactive, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Discord app and go to the server where you want to set up the roles. Once you're there, click on the server name in the top left corner and go to Server Settings. On the left-hand menu, select Roles. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details when creating your roles. Next, click on Create Role. You'll see several options that help you name the role, assign permissions, and set colors. Create all the roles you want people to be able to get. You can make multiple roles depending on your server's needs. Once your roles are ready, we'll move on to adding the bot. Head over to the app directory in Discord, search for CarlBot, click on it, then press Add App. Select your server, authorize the bot, and you'll see a success message once it's added. Don't forget to go back to Server Settings Roles and drag CarlBot to the top of the role hierarchy, then click Save Changes. This is super important to ensure the bot works correctly. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Optionally, create a separate text channel just for roles, and make sure your roles and bot permissions are properly set. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary errors when assigning roles. Once that's ready, type reaction role, followed by the channel name where you want the roles to appear. Customize the title, description, color, and emojis for each role. For example, you can pick a green emoji for one role and a blue emoji for another, then press Send. After that, type Done to finalize the setup. Once you've completed these steps, members can click on the emojis to receive their roles instantly. After that, you should be able to manage all reaction roles easily without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to periodically check the bot's permissions and role order to ensure everything continues running smoothly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up a fully functional role bot on Discord easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might want to create reaction roles too. Why not make someone's day easier?